Teacher's Day. This speech is about memories of teacher to me. To me, all teachers are very special. From that, I would like to share few memories of my teachers which I cannot forget. First, I would like about Monica Miss. She is my 5th standard class teacher. She never practiced nepotism. That is the quality we liked, because she used to treat every student similarly and never discriminate based on rank. She used to take special attention to the dull students. Best memory is that she used to have lunch with us in our classroom and never hesitate to taste our food. Not only that, she also tells her experience with us in our free periods. At every event, I and my friends used to take selfies and play games and do parties along with my teacher. There is no words to express the memories with her. It was very funny. She is friendly and mother character to us. I like to talk about my 8th standard class teacher, Anasra Miss. Due to this pandemic, we were attending online classes. Because of that, we had many limitations. But it was a great experience in my 8th standard. I have never seen a superb miss like her. She gave good response and then clear all doubts, talk so softly and give cheer up for each and everything. She is so friendly and good. Now I like to talk about my present class teacher, Meena Miss. Ma'am, I have a quote for you. Teacher takes a hand, opens the mind and touches the heart. You are a great teacher for us. You are so friendly to us and give good response too. You cheer up the students to do hard work. And thank you for being second mother for us. Last but not least, teacher, they guide us, they support us, they inspire us, they teach us, they punish us to polish us, they scold us to shine us. Once again, I would like to thank all teachers who have been working for us. Thank you.